Hello friends, welcome to Namaste English. Friends, today we have brought very interesting story. The ant and the dove. Friends, one hot day of summer, an ant was searching for some water. After walking around for some time, she came near the river to drink the water. She climbed up on a small rock. While trying to drink the water, she slipped and fell into the river. There was a dove sitting on a branch of a tree who saw an ant falling into the river. The dove quickly plucked a leaf and dropped it into the river near the struggling ant. The ant moved towards the leaf and climbed up onto it. Soon the leaf drifted to dry ground and the ant jumped out. The ant looked up to the tree and thanked the dove. Later, the same day, a bird catcher came nearby and he was about to throw his net over the dove. He was hoping to trap the dove. An ant saw him and guessed what he was about to do. The dove was resting and had no idea what was about to happen. An ant quickly bit him on the foot, and feeling the pain, the bird catcher dropped his net and screamed out. The dove noticed it and quickly flew away. So, the moral of the story is, if you do good, good will come to you. Thank you.